Now I just re-tightened up this plug. The box was coming out of the wall. It was a cut-in box. I showed you how to do that, and if you didn't watch that video, I'm going to show you again. Now this time it might be slightly different, and we've got another air conditioner in here. I guess I better turn that off. Okay, and I want to look over here and look at this. This box is loose. Look at this. This box is loose. This is a cut-in box, and I don't know what happened to that. And I'm hoping that just the ears have loosened up, but I'm going to have to check that out. You want to learn how to get those boxes back in there? Stick around. Class is now open. Okay, you see this box? This is a cut-in box they installed. Here's another cut-in box over here. The power used to go just from here up to the air conditioner. Well, then they decided to install a 4-hour timer. So they took the power out of here, rerouted it over here. So when you turn the breaker on in the panel, all the power goes to here. First, you turn this on, power then goes over here. Right now, I've got this timer on. Do you see that? So that means there's power over here. So I've got if I turn this off, okay, I could turn that off. I don't like really doing that to most timers. Usually I just let them go by themselves. If I turn that off, and if I have an issue to this plug, and if I want to work on this, I know there's no power going over to here. Okay, so I don't even have to find the breaker. If you don't know where your breaker is, this breaker just happens to be in this panel right here. So it's nice and easy. I'm going to turn it off anyways. But if you couldn't find it and you had something like this, chances are there's no power over here. That's for my issue here, because I know how they did the wiring to begin with. Okay, but if you're unsure, go ahead and turn the power off. And in this case, I've got to work on this one, and I also have to work on this. So I'm going to find this one. This one's in a bedroom, and it's a master bedroom, and that's number 13. I look on this, and usually you always have, you might have something written here to what the breakers are. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All the odd ones here, all the even ones here. Look at your panel, and it should be the same, vice versa, whatever. So I go down here, and I look at 13 is ACM bedroom, and that means master bedroom. And I go down here, this is the master bedroom. I look, and I got numbers on all this. Okay, 13 is right here. Okay, AC master bedroom 13. Kaboom! I've shut it off. Okay, number 15 was the AC living room. I can turn that back on now because I just worked on that one. I had a box over there, and this was loose, and I went ahead and turned it off just for the sake of it. Okay, so I know it's off. You could also pull this out and have a tester. You know, if you weren't sure about that, you could turn the timer back on. But if you had a tester, see, I turn this timer on, what it's doing is throwing power over to there. And if you had a tester, I just happen to have a little funky tester, cost me about $5 at the store, whatever. Okay, I can put that in here like this. If I didn't know where the breaker was, let's say, I could put that in there and see if the orange light lights up. Nothing's lit up. Everything's fine. And I know the power's off to that. If you want to know if your tester's working, here, let's find a plug somewhere. Here, okay. Here's a plug. This was the air conditioner I had some work on. I just fixed that plug right there, that outlet, because it was all loose. Okay. Now, if you want to check your tester to make sure the light's working, you can put it in there. See how that little bit's orange? Look. And this one's a 220 and a 110. That's kind of cool. And the 110 light is lit up. Okay. I know my tester's working and everything. So I know I've got the right breaker. Sometimes people might mark things You might think it's one breaker, and it might be a different breaker. Okay? There's a tip for you. Keep watching, I got more to show you.